We're in the middle of a storm. Here, this is our backyard. That's fields. That's not water. It's not supposed to be water. It is a mess. Everything you see is a field. Oh my goodness, the storm's over and I just woke up. Look at wow, my trampoline's fully gone. And all that is fields. There's Sam's playset. We're just about to go eat at this really cool restaurant behind me. Look at it. It's right on the water. Beautiful. That's a restaurant there. And there's glass windows all around it where you sit. So you can sit and see this view. That owl was super cool, eh? We were just driving and we saw it sitting there on the power line, so I had to get a video. It was so neat. Also, the restaurant that we went to was super lovely, right on the water. We had a really great time. So now that we're back home, I'm gonna finish up this wall and get this bathroom sorted back out. Looks so much better down here, doesn't it? I love it. The white wall's looking so good. I think I may have to paint more. I'm just not gonna do it today. Might wait until we get the walls up and then kind of decide what else I wanna paint. But I'm really liking how it's turning out. All right, so you've seen this truck many times on this channel and on the other channel. This is our beauty of a work truck. And it's been in need of new tires for at least 2 years now, so we finally got them. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna paint, see that rusted middle part? We're gonna paint it with a trim clad black. My vehicle also needed tires, so we put a set of winter tires on, and then in the spring we'll get some new summer tires put on. But I'm pretty happy with those little tires. Not as nice as his, but they're nice anyway. Since we both got all new tires, he's just gotta retorque them.
My turn to paint now.
All right, so with Christmas just a couple of days away, we are gonna start our Christmas baking. We're gonna make peanut butter balls, cherry balls, and Christmas crack. Let's get at it. so it's the next morning now. All my peanut butter balls are cold and in a different tray, so I can now start on the next item, which is gonna be the cherry balls. They have to go in the fridge and on that tray, and I'm running out of room because we're preparing a bunch of stuff for Christmas. So I have to do one item at a time. So let's get on to the cherry balls. All right, all ready for Christmas.